received the Holy Sacrament of matrimony, I admonish you to remain faithful to one another. Rosina, please always take good care of your husband. Continue to serve him as a friend, as a wife, and continue to pray for him. Love your husband, and be always a good housewife, particularly love and holiness. Jody, take good care of your wife. She is God's greatest gift to you. And respect her also. And love her as Christ loved his church. And live with her in the holy fear of the Lord. Por parte de ustedes, Kainana aquí, hermano, hermana, and Ninong Ferdinand, and all of us present this afternoon, as we continue also to pray for you, I would like again to say our best wishes for you is that you will experience peace and happiness all the days of your married life. Again, congratulations. Come on. Before the final blessing, I would like also to acknowledge the presence of our Vice Mayor, Honorable Manatay Sinato, and also to our Honorable Congressman in the district. Absolutely, members, thank you. Si Councilor BJ Ligona, thank you, Councilor BJ. Thank you. Yes. Si Councilor Junie Navarro, thank you so much. Si Albert Castillo. Thank you so much for your support, for your love, for your presence, for your prayers, and of course to the beloved parents of Nita. Dagan kayo salamat kayo na pamano parents sa mga Nita, and also the mother of Rudy, Mother Veronica Pinoy, and sister, the other sister, So, gracias por the comments, and Mother Lumi, and of course also to Erin and also Raya, first the choir, the Joker, and our ladies first. Thank you. God bless us all. Now finally, several friends, Religio Emperor sa Ikanang Teresa, because that is intended for my birthday last November 23 and silver priestly coronation last December 6. I was really not able to bring you out, but today you are here. If you can continue to support and try to